I think he has it. He has it, ladies. Oh!
Hey, welcome back to the iVue Robotics channel. Now that you've taken a quick look at the world's largest claw machine game in action, wanted to give you a deeper look of how it works, what's involved, and then what to expect ahead of the next game that we'll be hosting on December 20th from noon to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at Denmark Drone Park. So hope to see you there, but in the meantime, let's take a look at the claw machine mod kit and see how it works. So here we have the claw machine mod kit. As you can see, there's a winch just like you would expect from like a car or a Jeep for off-roading. But at the end of it, we have a claw that works where you don't even have to tell it to open or close. It'll just open or close automatically when it can grab and latch onto an object like this orb. This orb will actually be representative of some of the prizes that we have out at the field. So again, now that you've seen the claw machine, how do you control it, right? So we've made it simple that anyone that can play a video game can fly, develop, air, and operate our claw machine. You'll see the controls here on screen, but we're just using a standard Xbox controller. Now that you've been familiarized with the controls for Develop Air and the claw machine mod kit, let's go ahead and review how the game works so you know what to expect ahead of our event on the 20th. So you'll have 2 minutes from the time Develop Air takes off to go ahead and fly Develop Air over the prize you're trying to win, lower the claw, try to pick it up, and bring it back over to the prize chute. So that's pretty simple, but let's go ahead and take a look at it in action from one of the contestants that showed up despite some of the bad weather that we had at our last event.
No warning
And
or nothing.
now it's yours to control. So raise it up a little bit, and then triangle is to stop it, or Y is to stop it. All right. And we think this contestant is going after the Lego bonsai tree.
Pick up the entire box.
Oh god. Okay.
Oh, it's yeah, and the wide stop. He might get it. Oh, he lost it. Oh no. He's losing it.
1 minute.
How did he guide him to the
30 seconds.
Yeah, lower. Getting lower. Oh no, that's kind of cheating, isn't it? Kinda, yeah. So we have to go like a lower
Oh, I think he has it. He has it, ladies.
Oh!
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. Go back to the landing zone. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hit X. Hit X. Wow. Congratulations, in the nick of time, just under the 2 minutes. Gonna collect his prize. All right in the nick of time. How you feel about that? Was it easier or more difficult than you expected?
It was pretty tough. It was a little touchy.
Yeah. Well, congratulations. Yeah, it's not an easy task to win. So, depending on who you are, after just watching that footage, you might have said, "Oh, well, that was really easy to win a prize," or "That was way too difficult." It's really somewhere in between. But know that that contestant has never flown a drone before, let alone our drone Develop Air. He was able to go home with a Lego bonsai tree, so we hope to send many of you home with a similar prize. But of course, we're also accepting prizes. Any unwon prizes are being donated to Toys for Tots. So if you're looking to give back a little bit this holiday season, know this is a great way to do so. If someone doesn't go home happy with a prize they won, it's going to go to a kid that's probably going to be just as happy, if not happier, this Christmas. So come out and join us for this next event. If you can't make it, we'd love to see you in our Discord server as well. Come interact with us there. And if nothing else, you'll see us in the next video. Thank you.